Here is simple step-by-step guide how to log out from your ByBit account. So, first of all, open up your ByBit application or bybit.com website and log in into your account. So, after that, once you're here, tap on your profile icon at the very top left corner. And after that, so once we're here, I'm gonna again tap on my profile icon at the top left corner, and here you can see logout button at the bottom. Let me tap on it. And after that, ByBit answer confirm logout. Yes, confirm. Once we do that, you can see welcome to ByBit page, and you can log in now or sign up new account. That's it. I hope it helps convert this new video or this playlist about ByBit.